Meteor just got better. We have a new patch for the framework. It's version 3.3.2. This release focuses on fixing security issues, solving bugs, and improving developer experience. So let's talk to the team and understand what they have been working on. I'm here again one more time with the guys from the MeteorJS core team, and we have a new version, 3.3.2. So I'm taking a look at the changelog here, guys, and I see that the first highlight is saying that we now have async compatible accounts, URLs, and email sending coverage. What does that even mean? Can you guys explain it to me, please?
Yeah, sure. So this is a patch, as we have stated. So we have been fixing bugs and having some maintenance over the Meteor framework. And one of the things that we have introduced is the compatibility when you use the email system in the account packages of Meteor to be able to use asynchronous behaviors. You can describe the URLs that usually are in the template when you send a reset password or other kind of email types. And you can customize this behavior as your application needs and do asynchronous execution there and get data and build that URL considering this. This change comes from some migrations, in fact, that I have from Meteor 2 applications to Meteor 3 and some compatibility that was not done. So this patch has been a good opportunity to introduce this fix and some others.
Right. And we have some other fixes here. The second highlight here looks like it was a simple change in a method, right? You moved it from account passwords to accounts base. Why did we do the change?
We have defined user by email method, where is a functionality presented in accounts password packet. But a few users, when they try to use, for example, account passwordless, that is another packet, they haven't this functionality there. And since it's a common functionality, find the user by email must be a functionality from many packets. We just decided to move it for the account base, where is the base for all accounts packet. So every time you install account packet, you will have this functionality there. So it's a thing to improve our DX for sure.
Okay, so next highlight, guys, is insertedId on client Upsert to match Meteor 2.x behavior.
Upsert is when you use like a method that can insert if the document doesn't exist or to just update it. So it's like a interface of operation that accepts both behaviors and smartly decides what to do. And in this case, what we have fixed is just some missing behavior that was happening. A lot of these kind of changes were appearing when we were launching Meteor 3, because we wanted to provide compatibility of behaviors between Meteor 3 and Meteor 2 so that we were trying to catch those and fix them. So this is one of the behaviors that was not considered and fixed yet. It's good to see that not many applications has run into problems and troubles on this. On my migrations, I had, so this has been an opportunity to contribute to this change.
I did know Upsert methods with another name, I guess. I don't remember. Is there another expression for this other than Upsert?
No, I'm not sure. Maybe safe in other kinds of ORM.
Oh, no. I remember now. I think there was. I remember what I'm thinking about. When I used to work with .NET, we worked with Entity Framework, that is an ORM, and I had this method called save that would decide if it should insert an entity or to update it depending on its state. Yeah, okay.
I believe Upsert is more compatible with the Mongo naming and things like that, because at the end it's insert and update, a mix of those two words.
So other than that, we have some fixes and some security fixes. Can we talk a bit about them?
Yeah. About the fixes, we have a few issues in the Mongo packet where unrecognized operations by mini-Mongo was being threaded in Mongo side. So today we have in Meteor use mini Mongo, that is a version of the Mongo in the front end, and we have the Mongo itself in the server side. So basically, this mini Mongo we're running the client do not support all kinds of operations that Mongo itself, the real Mongo, supports. But we were having a few errors when you try to do a query in the server Mongo that isn't supported by mini Mongo. So it was fixed, and the proper fix was addressed. And about the security issue, JS has a vulnerability in the version 1.2.22, and well, we updated it for 1.2.23, basically.
Nice, guys. And other than that, what are you guys working on now? What are the plans for the near future?
Yeah, so the immediate feature is going to be to release the AirSpec betas. There is a plan for those betas to happen. We have been working hard to make this ready, and at least at the very first beta, to have full compatibility of AirSpec with all our skeletons of the applications Meteor supports, like React, Solid, Svelte, Vue, and others. So all those are going to be supported in the first beta of AirSpec, and you will be able also to experiment into update existing applications. Internally, we have done it. We have updated simple tasks application, and I have been experimenting with others. So this is something doable, but we are going to need community feedback on this, so that we can understand, the same as we did for SWC in Meteor 3.3, which is your specific setup, and if we need to tweak things to make things better, more compliant with your system and your application. So this is what is going to happen really soon.
Beyond that, we have the change stream that we're still working on it. The stage of this feature that will come to improve the performance and the resource consumption from Meteor is in the testing. So today we are testing and improving the compatibility with the current uplog to try to make DX transition the best as possible. And that's it.
And guys, there's going to happen a MeteorJS conference this month. It's Meteor Impact on September 25th. And I heard that you guys are going to talk there. What are you going to talk about, Nacho?
Yeah, I'm going to talk about the bundler, the modern build stack that we have described lately in our Meteor framework. So this will cover what we did initially in Meteor 3.3 with the SWC integration, and what was the motivation behind us to specifically touch the Meteor bundler, to optimize it and to reach its limits. And later in Meteor 3.4, what is going to come next, why we have decided to include a mother bundler to delegate the compilation of your application code to a mother bundler like AirSpec, and the benefits that we have pursued behind that. And of course, a call to action to everyone to adopt it and share the benefits and improvements they are feeling.
I will be there as well, and I will be talking about how to contribute and Meteor and how you can use it to grow up in your career. Contribute in open source and inside Meteor, and not only contribute, but how you can use it for yourself and for your social media, career, image, and everything else.
So if you haven't registered for Meteor Impact yet, the link is here below. It's free, it's online, it's for everyone, and I hope to see you there. So guys, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for the work on Meteor again, and I'll see you soon.